Hello everyone. In this video, I'll tell you about, well, drilling. The next step after pile foundation work, I saw laying utilities as the logical next phase. I decided to start with a well. This is an important and responsible matter, so I decided to approach finding contractors seriously. I immediately ruled out guys in old trucks from Avito. I only looked at companies with experience, reputation, guarantees, and studied reviews. The choice was finally made, and we got started. My well was drilled using the mechanical method. I'll tell you a bit more about this process. Before the drilling process, the first thing you need to decide is the location where the future well will be. This place should be as close as possible to the house and boiler room where the pipe will be led. And most importantly, there must be access to this place so that if necessary, a vehicle for well repair or cleaning could arrive here as well. This, by the way, was included in my contract, that if there's no access to the well, the warranty becomes void. There's water underground almost everywhere. I pointed with my finger and said, I want it here. I didn't walk around the plot with aluminum spirals or call any fortune tellers. My well ended up about 4 meters from the boiler room. It will always have access. So, after the vehicle is positioned at the location, it gets leveled and then drilling begins with 180 millimeters augers. It continues until reaching the bearing clay layer, beneath which water-bearing horizons are located. How do you understand that it's ready? We've drilled down. Here's the water. It should come from somewhere here, right? It flows out by itself like a fountain. Seriously? Like oil? Come on, you're joking. Yes, it comes out immediately. But seriously, how? Well, there's a lot here. How much? A lot there, as they told us. Some indicators, sensors, or what? Pressure. Pressure drops immediately, and that's it. As soon as the solid rock is reached, and for me, it was found at 32 meters, the augers are removed, and a metal casing pipe with a diameter of 152 millimeters is lowered. It will ensure the integrity of the well walls throughout the entire period of operation. It also cuts off all small water-bearing horizons encountered during drilling, sand layers, and other unstable soils. Now smaller augers are installed into the already installed casing pipe, and drilling begins again. The diameter of these augers is 135 millimeters. They drill through solid soil layers and expose the water-bearing horizon. After that, the well is washed with a baler. This is a tool used for cleaning the bottom of wells from external rock formations. As soon as the well becomes clean, we insert an operating pipe with a filter column made of food-grade plastic, PVC, with a diameter of 125 millimeters. Water from the water-bearing horizons will enter the well opening precisely through this filter column. Then the well is cleaned with a baler from sludge. These are destroyed soil layers that fell from the augers when the water-bearing horizon was opened. The baler is also used to measure the well depth to confirm whether the depth matches the stated size and to indicate the depth in the well passport. Then the well is pumped using a pump. Pumping the well usually takes from several minutes to an hour and ends when the water becomes visually clean. The actual drilling work is now complete. The static water level in my well was 34 meters, dynamic level 38 meters, output 1,500 liters per hour, and depth 58 meters. I was given a well passport, acceptance certificate, and we signed the contract. I'll attach all these documents. Those interested can pause and study them. That's how water appeared on my site. During pumping, when clean water was flowing, I was as happy as a child. It feels like a miracle. There was no water, and here it is, flowing from underground. My water without meters or control. Cost. Drilling was 104,400 rubles. And I learned this figure only after drilling was completed, because a drilled meter has different prices depending on depth. In my case, it was 1,800 rubles per meter, and the total construction cost at this moment was 718,900 rubles. The drillers finished their work. The iron casing pipe was left sticking out on top, and they welded it shut. And of course, this is still far from over. Ahead lies installation of rings, a manhole, pump immersion, and in general, development. That's what the next episode will cover. Subscribe to the channel, like. Best wishes to everyone.